What's good, YouTube? It's your boy TQ, and we are back with another video. If you are new to my channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe. It is very much appreciated. So as you can see, I got my boy Mason. I'm just knocking everything down with a 0.5 close. I think I got it. So, you know, my boy Mason, he's, I want to say 2 or 3, and he moves a lot, man. He moves a lot. So I got to continuously, you know, reposition his head where I want it from time to time, a little more frequently than what I would like to. But he's a cool little dude, you know what I'm saying? I enjoy cutting his hair, even though he moves a lot. And, you know, I try to get him back in the game as best as I can, even though he moves a lot. So y'all stay tuned and see how the end result comes out.
Gas, switch up the swag, switch up the band. Nigga, they jacking my way cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She gave more head than the tumor. And I got things I can prove, yeah. I got real rich and getting no diploma. She think it's something got to do with my mama while I can't love her like she need me. That's what you get when you thinking of marriage. Now I wake up and I fuck on the bed. Got me sad. It's so hard, it's so hard. These perkies keep me sane. All my dogs, found them locked up in the cage. We get paid, we so paid. Move them bricks, then move on. Switch the bags, then move on, then move on.
My client is getting a drop fade, so I follow up with my trimmers. And I'm just setting in that first guideline, first ball guideline all the way around the head. Now with drop fades, basically where the drop comes in is the back of the head. So it kind of comes at a curvature right over the ear and it drops to the back of the head. So that's why it's called a drop fade. So I go ahead and make sure everything is bald and make sure everything is clean so I can set up for my second guideline.
I remember when they thought I was average. Now I wake up and I fuck on a bad bitch. I to apply temptation.
That's nuts, Billy.
I left my yard filled with 50s, they don't remember my back cards. I really wish bro was with me, he got an 8 on his back like Lampard. That can't be a up tryna diss me, he was in an interview ring singing ballad. He ain't on a damn thing, he's a wallad. Like how you don't feel embarrassed, Babdi looking on Nicki Minaj. Probably got a spaceship in my garage. My young boy went over there on something. He did a sauna and a massage. You know me, I kick back and manage. Sent them if a ration afford that day, I'm feeling like Van Hal. It's a struggle to talk about Joes. When you're factual, I can get nicked and end up cancelled. So I'd rather go uptown and spray a little deal savage. I was upside giving out pictures, done it so much.
So next up, I come in with my no guard open, and I'm creating my second guideline and making everything consistent.
That's cause I've been harassed. I was on Eagle, bros, I'm mad. What do you mean they won't take cash in Van Cleef? And then it has a bug on harass. Come on, the hood's too hot. It's a first class flight to Accra. Why they wanna put boiled egg in my salad? I left my yard filled with 50s. They don't remember my back.
So I had already knocked down his hair on the top with a 0.5 close. So I'm just going straight in with that 0.5 and blending everything in instead of creating another guideline. And as you can see, I'm kind of working my way down, creating my guidelines. I went up and now eliminating my guidelines, I'm going down. So, you know, you could switch it up here and there. You know, I like to switch it up. I cut a lot of heads, so I like to kind of change it up here and there from time to time. So right here, I'm brushing everything down. You can see he being nosy right here, man. He looking at everything that I'm doing. I gotta turn his head back forward, brushing everything down. Still working out that guideline with that 0.5 open, with 0.5 closed right now. Utilizing those corners, flicking out. See, there you go again, trying to see what I'm doing. Man, look at him move, man. He be nosy, man. Real nosy. So next up, I take my no guard close, and I'm taking out that first guideline I created. And I'm barely digging in. I'm kind of flicking, like barely flicking, using those corners, brushing everything down, trying to see what I'm working with. And that's all it is, man. It's just being patient and just trusting the process, man. That's really all it is, man. So here we go in a little bit. We're going to transition to the other side. And I'm going to go ahead and speed it up for y'all because it's basically the same steps on the other side.
I got a rich nigga, no diploma. She think it's something got to do with my mama while I can't love her like she needs me. That's what you get when you think of marriage. Now I wake up and I fuck on the bed. Got me saying it's so hard. These perkies keep me sane. All my dogs, found them locked up in the cage. We get paid, we so bad. Move them bricks, then move on. Switch the bags, then move on, I'm in prison. Out of trenches, the niggas can't whip me, the richest, Rich nigga house on seats, all of these hoes can't with it, all the motherfuckers can't with it, I try to fight temptation, Top Gun is on vacation, I'm not trying to hurt no more.
So this right here is going to set you apart from all the other barbers, man. So I'm going back and I am detailing, basically just hitting, a few dark spots that I see in the fade. Just trying to get everything perfected as much as I possibly can. As you can see, the fade is, it has dark spots here and there. So I'm just taking care of those dark spots, just trying to blend everything in and make sure everything's consistent.
That's nuts, Billy.
I left my yard filled with 50s, didn't remember my back cards. I really wish bro was with me. He got an 8 on his back like Lampard. That can't be a up tryna diss me. He was in an interview ring singing ballad. He ain't on a damn thing, he's a walad. Like how you don't feel embarrassed. Babby looking on Nicki Minaj. Plus I got a spaceship in my garage. My young boy went over there on something. He did a sauna and a massage. You know me, I kick back and manage. Sent them even ration afford that day. I was feeling like Van House. It's a struggle to talk about drills. When you're factual, I can get nicked and end up.
So right here we go ahead and top it off with the lineup. My boy Mason, he got a little head on him, man. Hopefully he grow into that head. But anyways, what I'm saying, we just bringing everything together, sharpening everything up, bringing it back in the game.
Why they wanna put boiled egg in my salad? I left my yard filled with 50s, didn't remember my back cards. I really wish bro was with me. He got an 8 on his back like Lampard. That can't be a up tryna diss me. He was in an interview ring singing ballad. He ain't on a damn thing, he's a walad. Like how you don't feel embarrassed. Babby looking on Nicki Minaj. Plus I got a spaceship in my garage. My young boy went over there on something. He did a saw.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through property, on that minority, you know the story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. Call me a president, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga house on six, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them over get a KB, yeah.
So right here, I go ahead and hit it with a design. Now right here, I'm just freestyling. I never really did a design like this. It's kind of like a zigzag with another line coming out the middle of it. Something different, you know what I'm saying? I'm not really the expert on designs just yet, but you know, I try to dibble and dab and basically experiment with different things. And I definitely won't be doing this design again, but I was just trying something out.
I got a rich nigga no diploma. She think it's something got to do with my mama while I can't love her like she need me. That's what you get when you think of marriage. Now I wake up and I fuck on a bad bitch. Got me sad. It's so hard, it's so hard. These perkies keep me sane. All my dogs found them locked up in the cage. We get paid, we so paid. Move them bricks, then move on.
We are inching to the end of this video, but I appreciate you guys for watching this far. And now that I think about it, the line in the middle of the design was a mistake initially, but I had to finesse and basically just make it look like I meant to do it. You know what I'm saying? So I had went a little too deep into, I want to say, like the angle of the design, and I kind of created a slight line above that curvature in the back of that zigzag. So I just basically had to just make it seem like I meant to put that line in the middle. But you know what I'm saying? I usually don't even do the design like that, but I had to make it look like I meant to do that. You know what I'm saying? So that line in the middle was definitely a mistake.
Oh, that's nuts, Billy.
I left my yard filled with 50s, didn't remember my back card. I really wish bro was with me. He got an 8 on his back like Lampard. That can't be an option to diss me. He was in an interview room singing ballad. He ain't on a damn thing, he's a wallad. Like how you don't feel embarrassed. Babdi looking on Nicki Minaj. Probably got a spaceship in my garage. My young boy went over there about something. He did a sauna and a massage. You know me, I kick back and manage.
We are inching to the end of this video, but I appreciate you guys for watching this far, and we're gonna get straight into the aftermath. Man, my boy Mason, he came in looking like he don't get no girls in preschool. You feel me? He went from that to this. You feel me? Yeah, we putting back in the game, man. It took a lot, but we got him back in the game. A lot of moving, a lot of bobbing and weaving, but we got him back in there. But it's your boy TQ. He in good hands, just like State Farm. Look at him cheating. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe once again. Until next time, we out.
I really wish bro was with me. He got an 8 on his back like Lampard. That can't be an option to diss me. He was in an interview room singing